In this video, we're exploring QuickBooks Online, a leading cloud-based accounting solution designed for small to medium-sized businesses. QuickBooks Online offers a comprehensive suite of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and detailed financial reporting. Its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with various financial institutions make it a go-to choice for many entrepreneurs. One of the standout features is its accessibility. Being cloud-based means you can manage your finances anytime, anywhere. Additionally, QuickBooks Online supports multiple users, facilitating collaboration among team members. The platform also offers various plans to cater to different business needs, from the simple Start plan to the more advanced Plus and Advanced plans. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported a steep learning curve, especially for those new to accounting software. There have also been concerns about customer support responsiveness. Despite these issues, many users find that the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, particularly due to the platform's robust feature set and scalability. In summary, QuickBooks Online remains a powerful tool for business owners seeking an all-in-one accounting solution. While it may require some time to master, its extensive features and flexibility make it a worthwhile investment for managing your business finances effectively.